Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Sushil Joshi and you're watching the Math Magic. Today we are going to learn one of the most important parts from the chapter Tick Tick Tick, that is time, activity and worksheet. Worksheet related questions we are going to learn, so please go through it and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. As we have already studied how to read the time in a different format, that is in 24-hour clock and in 12-hour clock we convert the time, so in 24 and 12 and 12 to 24 in both the ways. We know that the difference between the analog clock and the digital clock. So all types of the questions we have already studied in this chapter. If you have any doubt, please go through my video on YouTube, Math Magic by Sushil Joshi. You will find all the respective topics with respect to this chapter. So here we go, the first topic of today's lecture. Now look at this picture carefully. First I will zoom it. Now here we have to write the time in number format as well as in word format. How we read it? That is 15 minutes after 9 o'clock. This is given to us and we have to write in both the ways the time given on this clock. So as we know that this is the one kind of a clock. Look here. If this clock is given to us, I do not write all the numbers on the clock. Look here. Just we go through it. The time after 12 up to 6. Look here. The time after 12 up to 6 is read as past or after. Please remember that. Whenever a minute hand moves from 12 and it goes up to 6, you read the time as a past or after. And when it moves from 6 and reaches up to 12, so you read the time as 2. So these 2 points you must remember how to read the time in different ways. 12 to 6, past or after, and 6 to 12, 2. This you have to remember, the word associated with the time. Now here you see that the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 6. It do not crosses the 5. That means the hour hand is in between 5 and 4 and 5. Look here. You can observe that it is not actually on the 5. It is just reach to the 5. So we read it as 4 hours 30 minutes. So here I write 4 hours 30 minutes. And how I write? Just we write the past or after. So 30 minutes past 4. This we have to write. Here the hour hand, look here. The hour hand is reaching to the 6 and minute hand is on 9. So first I count the minutes starting from here 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. 45 minutes are there. And how many minutes are left to 6? 5, 10 and 15. 15 minutes are less to complete this 1 hour. So how we write it? We write it as 5 hours 45 minutes, and as the minute hand is in between 6 and 12, so we write as 15 minutes to 6. Do not read it as 45 minutes past 5. You do not read like this. Remember that. Then this is our hand is in between 10 and 11. So it is 10, 20. So as the minute hand is in between 12 and 6. So you have to read the past. So we write it as 20 minutes past 10. So in this way, you will write it as this is 11:50, 10 minutes to 12. Similarly, it is 12:05, that is 5 minutes past 12. So in this way, you will write these time in words as well as in numbers. So I hope all of you understand it very easily and clearly. So we start with a new question, that is draw hands to the given time. Now quarter to 4. As we know that this, suppose this is a clock, this first quarter, that is 12, 3, 6 and 9. So when a minute hand start from 12 and it reaches up to 3, 15 minutes are passed. How many minutes are passed? 15. Then from 3 to 6, again 15 minutes, again 15 minutes, and then last again 15 minutes. So this clock is divided into 16 minutes. So 1 quarter is equal to 15 minutes. Remember that. Half is equal to 30 minutes. So here what is given? Quarter to 4. That means 3:45. So the hour hand is nearly equal to 4 and the minute hand is on 9:45. Half past 9. Half means 30 minutes. So it is 9:30. So 9:30 means the hour hand is in between 9 and 10 and the minute hand is on 6. Quarter past 1. So hour hand is in between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is on 3. Look here. How it look like? See clearly. Hour hand is between 1 and 2. Quarter past 1 means 15 minutes after 3 o'clock. Next. Look here, 6:20. That means our hand is on 6, in between 6 and 7, nearly close to 6, and 20 minutes means minute hand is on 4. 8:10. Similarly, you do it. The rest other problems are for homework. You can do it easily. So like this way, we can learn the two things, that is past and to. We will continue with the next question. Look here. This is one of the most important questions. Draw the hands to show what time will be. 15 minutes before 3 o'clock. So if this is clock, 12, 3, 6, 9. So 15 minutes means before. That means your minute hand is on 9. And our hand is nearly equal to 4. Like this. You have to draw it. So this is 15 minutes before 3 o'clock. That means, sorry. So the hour hand is between 2 and 3 and the minute hand is on 3. That is, time is 2:45. Time is 2:45. 1 hour after half past 4. Look here. First, half past 4 means what? 4:30. And 1 hour after this. 1 hour after 4:30. So add 1 hour to this. It is 5:30. So you have to draw here 5:30. So our hand is on 5 and 6 and minute is on like this. 20 minutes after quarter to 9. Now look here. Quarter to 9 means 8:45. Quarter to 9 means 8:45, and we have to add 20 minutes. So add minutes in minute always. Hours are 0, 5, 6, 8, 65. But we break this 65 into 60 plus 5. How we break this 65? This 60 minute means 1 hour. 1 hour plus 5 minutes. Look here. So I add 1 hour to this one. So it is 9 hours and this 5 minutes. 05 minutes. 9 hours, 05 minutes. So how we write it? Half 20 minutes after quarter 9 is 9:05. So I write here 9 o'clock hour, and this one minute hand. Half an hour after 8 o'clock. It is clearly 8:30. Clearly 8:30. 2 hours after 7:25. Add 2 hours in it. So it is 9:25. So hour hand is on 9, minute hand is on 5. 15 minutes after 10 o'clock. So here 10 and 11 and this way. How long will it take the minute hand to move from 10:15 to 45? Look here. 11:15 to 45. So here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How many minutes are passed? 30 minutes. Then 5, 10, look here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Again 30. Here 50 and here 7. So 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20. Here 20 minutes. Here 4 and 8. So in between 5, 10, 15, 20. Again 20 minutes. This way you will count how to write the minutes. The difference between you have to find out. In a different way you can find it to us. So how we find it in different way? Look here. This is 11:15 and this is 11:45. So write the first one, larger number, 11:45 minus 11:15. So we got here 30. So in this way also you will find out how to write. Just subtract from larger number. This is 710, 740. 740 minus 710. So how we write it? Again 30 minutes. Or just read the minutes and count the minutes. Read and count the minutes. In both the ways you will find it how we can write it. Now the next article, we have to write down the time in 24-hour clock. So how we write it? Look here, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 15 hours. 4:30 in the afternoon, 16:30 hours. 2:30 in the afternoon, 14:30 hours. 5:30 in the evening, 17:30 hours. 7 o'clock in the evening, 19 hours. 9 o'clock in the evening, 21 hours. 11 o'clock in night, 23 hours. 12 o'clock midnight, 00 hours. 12:30 at midnight, 12:30 after midnight. It is 12:30 hours, or sorry, you can write 00:30 hours. Two o'clock in the morning, it's 2 hours. Then 4 o'clock in the morning, 4 hours. You can write 00 here. 7 o'clock in the morning, this way you have to complete it. First, I draw the 24-hour clock. Look here. Then we write it a bigger one. Look here. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is here. First we erase it. We'll draw a larger one. Here is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we will write this one. 12 means 0, 0, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, sorry. This one is 23 and 00 or 24. We write here. So just remember that this is the inside clock is 12-hour and the outside clock is 24-hour clock. Just observe it carefully and write the time according to the given clock. Both the clocks are given. The last 11:15 at night, 12 midnight, 1:30 at night, 3:20 at night, 8 o'clock in the morning. Here we have to write 6:45 p.m. that is AM or PM. 6:45 AM. 1 hour after 11:40, so it is 12:40 p.m. 6 hours after 6 p.m. 12 a.m. 8 hours after 2 a.m. 10 a.m. 3 hours before midnight, so it is 9 p.m. 11 hours after 1:45 a.m. 11 hours after 1:45 a.m. that is 12:45 p.m. So in this way we can write the AM or PM. I hope all of you learn it very easily and clearly. You just go through it again and again. You will find it very easy how to write the time. The first one you have to start from the January, then start from January, then Feb, then March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. In this way you have to write. So first date you have to write is from the January. What is the January? Here, look here. 2nd January, then find out the January again, 26 January 2008, then 2009. So these three dates are from the January. So you have to write, first write the dates of 2007. January 2007, is there any another date of 2007? No. Before that 2007, which date comes? 2006. So look here, how many dates are 2006? June 1, this is May 2006, September 2006, and December 2006. So before that you have to take the 2006 date, because it is starting from the 2000. First you have to write down the smallest date. So it is May, 22nd May 2006, 20. So we are go like this, 28 June 2006, 13 September 2006, then 19th December 2006. In this way, 2006 are these dates are coming. Then we write the 2007. Look here. You have to write down like this, but I will write here 2007. Two dates are given, that is here January 2007, then 5th of October 2007. These are the dates of 2007. Then 2008 comes. How many dates are there? 2008. Look here. 1, 2, and 3. This one is. So this is November, this is April, this is January. So first you have to write 28 Jan 2008, then 17th April, APR I write it, 2008, then 25th November NOV 2008. In this way you have to write. Then it comes the 2009 year. Only two dates are given. This is 15th and this is 26. So first I write 26 January 2009, then 15th August 2009. Now we write the date in numbers. 15 June 2008. So 8 June for 6. Write the last two digits of the year. Write this date as it is. Then write the month 6. Write as it is. For January you write 1 and last two digits of the date 09. Here 18 0, sorry, instead of writing 02 only write here 2. Write here 2 and 2007. This 2 will. So December 1975. So I write here 3. December for 12 and write here date 75. It means that 1975. 8 March 2008. 3 for March 3. Look here, for March 3, and we write the last two digits of the date. In this way you have to write it. The rest other problems are homework. Remaining questions. Homework. The remaining questions are for homework. So in this way, we will complete this chapter, and I hope all of you understand it very clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.